Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a soft blur effect in CapCut. So first, import your clips and then just go to video effects, click on basic and then select the diamond zoom effect. And then set the effect like this. For the size, set it into 45. And then the intensity, set it into 5. Set the speed into 100 and then the horizontal into 45, and last the rotate, set it into 50. Okay, click on a check icon and then set the trim the effect align with the durations of each clip. So copy it and then so that it will go like that, and then the soft blur effect will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.